Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. As we are nearing the end of the year, I have received some questions from my course learners and students asking me if they were to switch web hosting or how can they look for a better web hosting provider than what they are currently having. So if you're also looking to switch a web hosting provider or you are looking to have a web hosting because you want to have a new website for upcoming year, I would like to recommend Cloudways. This is my top recommendation if you want to have a web hosting to launch your website. So basically, there are 5 reasons that I will go through in this video why I will recommend Cloudways. And let's go through the number one top reason is Cloudways has a malware protection add-on. So which means that if ever when your website is infected by malware, you can use this add-on and it will automatically clean up your website. So no other web hosting I know of has this feature. Other bigger or very popular web hosting company will charge you hundreds of dollars to help you to clean up malware. But this malware protection add-on is only $4 per month with Cloudways hosting. So this is definitely the number one choice when it comes to having your own website, especially if you are running an e-commerce website. As for number two reason is if you were to check out the Cloudways pricing, it starts from only $14 a month. So in Cloudways, there's no need for you to pay a year. You can just pay month by month, which is what I'm doing. And this $14 is always $14 there. This is not a discounted rate, so there will be no pricing shock. As compared to other websites like, for example, SiteGround, if we were to take a look at SiteGround, you can see that their first year they charge you $2.99 per month. But after first year, it will revert back to the full pricing of $17.99 per month. So it may come to you as a shock next year when you ask for renewal. So that's a number two reason. And number three reason is that in Cloudways over here, even if you use the most basic plan, the 1 gig plan, you can host unlimited website. I'm hosting more than a couple of websites for my clients using this plan. So no issue at all. At only $14, you can host more than one website. Okay, so that's really affordable. And speaking about affordable, Cloudways is using cloud hosting. So which means that this cloud hosting is more superior than shared hosting. It means that you are not sharing resources with other websites. So unlike other shared hosting providers, they will cram your website with the other hundreds of other websites together on a server. So that's the reason why sometimes when you check out your website, the loading speed is very slow, but sometimes the loading speed is quite fast because it all depends or if other websites are actively browsing by other visitors or not. Okay, so that's the 4 reason. And the last reason I want to share with you is that this $14 is very much affordable because when you check out other companies, for example, SiteGround Cloud Hosting, their cheapest plan starts from $100 per month. So definitely this $14 is very much I would say fit in the budget of most people plus is a superior hosting environment. And you can also choose from various data center. If your target market is the US, you can select New York server. If your target customer live in Asia, you can select Singapore, for example. Okay, so I hope that you find this recommendation useful. If you have any questions, just feel free to post in the comments area below. In the description, I will also leave a link to how you can sign up Cloudways hosting using my promotional code. So I hope that you find this video useful. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.